Hello and welcome back to Sims Tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at the registration module of the page, registration page. Remember, you can click it here just like you can click here. Okay, the registration page is more of an organized page showing you the different class lists or the different classes in the section that you're logged into. For example, remember I'm logged into grammar. This is it here. I'm logged into this grammar. So in that grammar, I'm seeing the class list of Form 1. This is it, 57 students. And I can search here. I can search a particular student. You can go to Form 2, 58, can go to Form 3, 83, and so on. I can also decide to see everybody in that section, the grammar section. In this case, it's 793. So, but now I want to see, say, Form 1, the things that we can do on this page. So one of them is to print the class list. The other one is to export this class list. The other one is to register a new student. So in this page you can, it's easier and shorter and faster to register a new student when you're on this page. For example, let me add a new student. You right click here and take the first option, add new student. Remember this form, we saw the same form in the admission page here. So we can say Joe James came that, for example, Canada will come. Then you can capture. Okay. So you can do that. Okay. So you can put and you can add gradient. We didn't add this before. You can add the phone number. For example, you save other relationship, father, father, you save that. Okay, so you can save. So it goes directly. You are not asked again to select a class to register that student into. It just goes directly to this class, Form 1. Let's search for that name, Joe James. That's the name. So you can right click there, you see if you edit. That's the name. Okay. Alright, so on the same page you can right click. I've seen this, add a new student. You can register a student found somewhere on somewhere in the database but not registered in that class. And if you look at here, source from admission list, so these students have not been registered into any class. But you click here. Okay, so you can say, okay, I want to register the student in that class. So you select it. You can select more than one student anyways. You can select one, hold down Control and click on the other name, and then you select, you take register. Yes, they registered. So from 58 to 61. So you can go back there, and you can also do other things like view register subject for that student. In this case, we have English language dot for the student. Okay. When you double click, it will still lead you to the same. Okay. So you can double click register to view register student, the same thing as double click here. Okay. So you can add the subject, another subject to the student here. But then what I want us to say is how you can view or edit the student information here. Okay. What if the student comes up to you and say, oh, my name is not well spelled, or my date of birth is wrong, or my place of birth is wrong, or the picture is not very bright. So you right click here, go to registration, or right click, take view / edit student detail information. Maybe the date of the place of birth was supposed to be Boya instead of Tangan, so you correct it, click save. That's it. You can also print the class list here. Right click and take print class list. You select if you want this gender column or status, if it's a repeater, is a new or on all students. If you want that to show on the class list, or if you want the date of birth to show the enroll padding. So you can take preview and see how it looks. Okay, so you can zoom here, take 750. That's how it looks. Okay, so you can now hit this print button. Remember, you have to select your printer. Okay, you have to select the printer here. Select the printer. In this case, maybe I'm using this. Select it, then you take print. So you come here. If you zoom and it's okay, you can print here. Remember, numbering, registration number, name, sex, student status of the student, new, old, or repeater, date of birth, sequence 1 to 6. You can. This is the section name. You can hit print, and it will print the class list for you. Also, on this registration page, you can unregister a student. Okay, so you can unregister. Let's unregister this student. Russell, right click, take unregister, take yes. You have to enter a password. Done. It's from 61 to 60. So you can add back the student by registering the student again. Register the student. I think that's Russell. That's the student. We're back to 61. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.